Alright, check it out. Get close to the speaker on this one. We are not alike. Scope the shit that I provide. There's shit that I take down that I dot precise. Miraculous things happen when my energy does collide. I do whatever I want whenever I want to strike. All the shit I brought down that I got aligned. I'm going to get famous, you're going to be unsigned. Recognizing my surroundings and seeing that nothing in the dark survives. Speaking slick, smooth rhyming, I am when I flaunt on the mic.